Hi besties, I just got out of my shower and I decided to vlog because I was like, why not? Y'all, some of you like my vlogs. ये इससे पहले वाला जो मेरा वीडियो है, storytime video, I'm dropping that tomorrow. Like today is not that day, but yeah, tomorrow is 15th of August. I'm dropping it because it's my independence from that person. Yeah, just watch that video, y'all will get it. But anyway, I don't care. Every person that comes into your life teaches you a lesson. एक बहुत TED talk बन रहा है, I'm no beer bicep. But yeah, my nails are gone. I ripped 4 of these out, and then I thought, let's do my hair. But मैं ये भूल गई कि मेरे nails चले गए. So obviously, I'll have to work if I make a TikTok transition with this hand. And I called Vinodji up, being like, hi Vinodji, can you give me an appointment? And he was like, ma'am, 5:30 को आ जाओ. And I'm like, क्या आधे घंटे में nails हो पाएंगे? And he's like, no ma'am, minimum 1 घंटा लगेगा. 6 बजे को मेरा अपॉइंटमेंट है, मैं आज नहीं आ पाऊंगी. He's like, आप कल आ जाओ. I'm like, yeah, but मुझे आज आना था, तो आप मुझे 4 बजे का दे दो. But 4 बज गए and I'm still in my towel with no makeup on. So yeah, मैं देखो मैं confused हूँ कि मैं मेरे बाल लाल रंगवा लूँ या मैं Kera Fusion ट्रीटमेंट करा लूँ. ये मत बोलो get both of them done. Yes, 2 चीजें करवा सकते हैं, but 2 चीजें कराते हो तो उनके एक्स्ट्रा पैसे लगते हैं, ठीक है. And I like spending money, but आज सुबह ही मैंने Juicy का that sweatshirt मंगाया. मैं आज उठी बोलते हुए I will save money, I will start investing in fucking gold, and here I am spending gold के बजाय money on everything else. I'll just do my makeup and come back. Bye. You know, I read this quote saying the state your room is in is the representation of your mind. And just by giving you a glimpse of my bar area, which is filled with tissues and my YouTube plaque and my clothes, you can just see the state of my mind at all times. Let's go. I've got my sunnies on. The thing with me is I don't buy that many luxury products. Like I'm more like, oh, let's shop from White Fox or something. Yeah, one t-shirt cost me like 8, but I don't have 80k to buy a Dior corset top. So it's like, I only have like a few luxury items, but जो मेरे पास है मैं उनको use करती हूँ. मैं उनको full वसूल करती हूँ. Like these sunnies that I got from Australia, from Versace, I use them religiously. तो basically कहने का point है कि आप जो भी ले रहे हो उतना ही लो जितना कर सकते हो. Like I am broke because I shop a lot, but at least I'm broke in a way that I can be broke again. Let's go. This is the outfit. I'm wearing my I Love London t-shirt, pants that I stole from Radhika's, and it's so hot. Everything, all the AC, everything is on. I got my period today and it's making me feel like as if I'm going through menopause. I know मेरे को menopause का कुछ idea नहीं है, बहुत ultra 100 times worse होता होगा, but हाँ मेरे को इतने hot flashes आ रहे हैं. I'm wearing this fucking t-shirt which is literally see-through. You can literally see my. I don't give a fuck. I need to wear like a cotton light t-shirt, and I refuse to wear shorts because I've not shaved my legs. And the parlor people are too judgmental. Look who is giving me company. Yeah, we're gonna make Troyu do walkie. You're gonna go now. You're not visible. No makeup princess. मैं मेरा देश का झंडा पहनी रहती हूँ पूरे टाइम. मुझे लोग बोलेंगे कि ये ब्रिटिशर्स कितनी कमचागिरी करती है when they ruled us. You know I love a London boy, and I have come to this like state in life that I don't get affected by what boys do to me. It's just I don't care, but I get affected by what people who I have like you know जो जिसको जिस टाइम से जानती हूँ वो जो हरकतें करते हैं मुझे वो ज़्यादा affect करता है than boys at this point. Dying from period cramp. And ये बंदी यहाँ आई है. I decided to get coffee before I go get my hair done because I need energy because I need to edit my YouTube video. That's right. I look hideous, but it's fine. My favorite animal in me is when I take revenge. Literally. Not even kidding. You can see every pore of mine. And it's beyond right. It took 10 times worse than I actually did. My hair are done. Turns out they were too damaged. So he told me not to dye it red. But I ended up spending double the amount I would have spent while coloring my hair. So yeah. When I do it red, it's almost like 10k. I had to pay 15k today for this keratin. But they were like, oh my god, you have such good hair, this, that. I'm like, how much discount are you giving me? उसने 600 रुपए कम किए हैं. जो इतना आता है person, उसको आप सिर्फ 600 रुपए का डिस्काउंट दोगे. To go, they are going to wash it tomorrow. Keratin, this was Kera Fusion, okay? Apparently this is better. I don't know what it is. I think they just like fucking robbed me of my money, but whatever. Shit happens. I'm letting it go. I'm not even kidding. My hair feels so smooth. Like, you guys need to feel it, okay? And itna मैंने पता blow dry सब कराया हुआ है, but इतने soft मेरे बाल नहीं feel होते. They feel so soft, so silky, like good hair. Like before this also, but now they're like wow, shiny, silky. This I'm like super tired. Now I'm gonna go watch Emily in Paris, yay! And watch Game of Thrones, then sleep. Actually, ऐसा right है. हाँ नहीं पता. For Froyo Day, strawberry, orange sorbet नहीं. ये सब no sugar आने वाला है. ये क्या ये नो शुगर एडेड इन खाओगी
हाँ, yes.
नहीं ये इतनी skinny है look at her stomach she doesn't have one size 0 shut up you look healthy नहीं खा रही हो तो unhealthy खा रही हो
Oh.
आया अच्छे से
Oh my god. Oh my god. बस बहुत ज्यादा हो गया. वी लिखूं?
नहीं सिर्फ दाल वी कोई लिखा है कोई तो मिशेलिन स्टार शेफ नहीं
Oh my god.
वो कितना आगी है
Which है मेरा?
ओट्स और आलमंड्स खाना है कौन खाएगा ब्रो ओट्स एंड आलमंड्स
Choco rice crunch.
यू आर साइज 0 तुम कुछ ये सब नहीं खा रही हो कुछ नॉर्मल चीज डालो एक ब्राउनी डालना है खाएगी ब्राउनी तो डालो
एक ही पीस खाओ.
मैं नहीं खाऊंगी ब्राउनी आई डोंट एम नॉट अ ब्राउनी फैन ये मैंने थोड़ा क्यूट किया है राधिका ने ब्राउनी डाली है उसमें वैसे क्यूट तो नहीं है अगले की बट वी माइट गेट बेटर एट दिस अब अगली बार आएंगे तो हम ग्रीक योगर्ट खाएंगे
हाँ कड़क ब्राउनी है ये भाई.
एक बार में यू नो इंग्लिश अच्छा
We are full on having call her daddy level conversation with this loud pitch. And as soon as someone said something, we're like, oh my.
Because birthday is there on 23rd. Yeah. Wow, happy birthday to Rats. Radaki. हम जा रहे हैं It Ends With Us देखने. I know Blake Lively is getting cancelled on the internet. I personally think what she did is something that like, it was very tone deaf, but I feel कि अब जो बहुत forceful उसके पुराने interviews dig up करके it's like आजकल it's like a culture कि किसी को भी बस cancel करने के लिए बहुत उसको force करना वो चीज को कि oh my god वो where she's literally complimenting a person about her nails and everyone's like oh my god she's giving fake and I'm like now this is just extreme कि जब कोई nice है तो भी problem है जब कोई नहीं nice है तो भी problem है ये observe किया है
क्या होगा?
कि तुम सारे controversial questions avoid कर देती हो जैसे ब्लेक लाइवली का कैंसिलेशन का तो इट इज साइलेंट
है. अबे आई एम ड्राइविंग ब्रो. इसमें क्या मैं आंसर करूं? आई एम गेटिंग डिस्ट्रैक्टेड लुकिंग एट माय सेल्फ. आई डोंट वांट टू गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड.
आई एम वेयरिंग हील्स juicy pants juicy sweatshirt juicy bag and that Stanley doll is carrying because मैं पानी को तरह मुझे कोई नीड नहीं है but doll उसके पीरियड पे उसको हॉट फ्लैशेस हो रहे हैं मुझे भी हॉट फ्लैशेस हो रहे हैं बिकॉज मैंने फिर ऊपर से नीचे वेलवेट पहना हुआ है बॉम्बे की गर्मी में मुझे विनियर्स कराने का इतना मन है बिकॉज माय टीथ आर सो हॉरिबल आई हेट देम I'm like and people like oh my god तुम सब चेंज कराना है you're becoming plastic and I'm like yes that's what I want to be plastic बट कुछ इतनी प्लास्टिक नहीं हुई यार सिर्फ एक नोज जॉब कराई हुई है मैंने और मुझे प्लास्टिक बोलते हो जब पे अगर लाइक सपोज अगर मेरा बूब जॉब होता या अगर मैंने BBL कराया होता तो बोलो ना तो फिर भी लाइक ओ या शी इज लाइक रियली डन अ लॉट इतना नोज जॉब इज लाइक इट्स लाइक अ मैंडेटरी थिंग एट दिस पॉइंट एवरीवन गेट्स अ नोज जॉब
एंड ऑडियंस
We have come to watch It Ends With Us.
Nothing will be the same
डॉल
again.
अपना फोन यूज कर रही है मूवी के टाइम में
Tobacco
मैं यहाँ
has
फ्लैश ऑन
ruined
करके
my
सबसे
life.
बीच में
disturb
डिस्टर्ब कर रही हूँ गर्ल
Oh, 51 even.
There you go.
Thank you.
This is a big moment.
Sure is. Thank you so much.
Okay, it is Radhika's birthday, like tomorrow on 21st. So Radhika and I used to be like friends in school, okay? Yeah, we were like besties in school. Till 8th grade, we were like tight besties. But then Radhika got super popular and I kind of like, I won't blame her, like she was my friend. But we stopped hanging out because I don't know, like at the school time, I was getting fat and she was just hot. It was like, we couldn't work it out on the remix at that time. So, but then, you know, eventually, like, फिर time जाता गया, and then we became friends, like, last year. But then we didn't, like, hang out, like, properly. Like, then we started hanging out, like, this year. In 2024. But we know each other. Like, we have had ups, downs. It's been a roller coaster. She is so chill. And her body, that bitch has my dream body. Like she is so skinny. She's like a little skinny person, tall, and I hate her for that. You know what? And you know, I forgot her birthday. I literally forgot her birthday because I thought it was on 23rd of August. Because फिर पता है मुझे कैसे याद आया? I know that she's a Leo, but I was like confused. This is my problem. Okay, wait, this is my red flag कि मैं ना लोगों की birthday याद नहीं कर पाती हूँ. ठीक है, like I can't remember the date. I'll remember like 20 to 25th के बीच में कभी आता है, but I can't remember the date. I have my toxic traits. और ना मेरे को सडनली स्ट्राइक हुआ oh no मैंने हैप्पी बिलेटेड बर्थडे लिखा है so when the fuck is her actual birthday I was like is it today and I did not wish her what the fuck she's not gonna be my friend anymore so then I went up and it's on 21st I was like fuck safe birthday thank you भगवान जी I was like I texted her I'm like what do you want for your birthday and she's like nothing and I'm like oh please हर किसी को गिफ्ट चाहिए होता है ठीक है मतलब मेरे बर्थडे पे तो सोचना है मैं आने का बिना गिफ्ट के. I need a gift. Like everyone wants a gift. It's the birthday. Like you need to give someone a gift. So I went to Nykaa and she told me to get her a lip balm. Nykaa wale itne assholes hain. I love Nykaa, but the Nykaa staff is such dicks. Like they were not letting me click pictures and I had to like literally fight with them. I'm like, bro, what the fuck is this store policy? I'm gonna click a fucking picture of the product I'm buying in the fucking store. They were like, no, you cannot click. I'm like, okay, if this is the store policy, prove it to me. I don't give a fuck. I'm going to click a picture of it. So I got her the Laneige lip. कुछ समझा ही नहीं क्योंकि शी समवन हु डजंट वेयर मेकअप, तो मेरे को समझ नहीं आता है जो मेकअप नहीं पहनते उनको मैं क्या दूं. परफ्यूम का भी ऐसा होता है ना कि मैंने मेरी एक फ्रेंड को क्रिसमस पे बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क से जाकर अच्छा परफ्यूम लाया था, ठीक है, बट उसने मेरे गिफ्ट को रिजेक्ट कर दिया. लाइक यू कैन कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ, यू डोंट हैव टू बी लाइक, ओह आई डोंट वेयर दिस सेंट, यू कैन टेक इट. एंड आई गॉट हर फ्लावर्स विद अ लिटिल bow. I hope she likes it. Me and my lord cannot work it out on the remix because my lord will have to take permission from her boyfriend to work it out on the remix, and that was the problem since day one. No guys, this is not real Cartier. अगर मैंने real Cartier खरीदा होता तो मैंने उसकी स्टोरी डाली होती. ये real Cartier नहीं है, Amazon से खरीदा हुआ है मैंने, बट ये गोल्ड रियल है और बाकी सब रियल है. ये और मेरी नोज बस ठीक है. और राधिका come over yesterday and I wanted to show her the pic of the person who I made like my last story time about. So we googled, okay, dash flight attendant. We googled just for the sake of it. We were like maybe kuch mil jaye, because there it goes. His fucking LinkedIn comes up and I'm like, oh my god, and I'm like ये लड़का और इसकी वाहियात बातें. And I'm like राधिका ये देख ये है और ये ऐसी बातें करता था मेरे साथ, इसकी guts देखो. I show it to Sahaj and Sahaj is like he's so clapped and I'm like I agree. I'll tell you what my definition of ugly is. If you are a misogynist, pathetic, hater, insecure man or woman, you are ugly for me because your characteristics are so ugly that it makes you clapped as fuck. I know how fucking shallow I sound when I say this, but every time I have to like move on from a situation, I need to spend money. It is just my thing. अब पहन के उल्टा रख देती हूँ कपड़े, सीधा करने दो. Then I'll show you guys. Paris Hilton, Lorelai Gilmore, Mean Girls, Regina George, Lucy Couture.
मेरे भाई ने मैसेज किया मुझे. I don't know US टाइम पे विश करेगा. Hi guys. Yes. Happy birthday. People are excited. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Did I tell you guys Dyson sent me a PR package? I did not buy it. Dyson sent it to me. And I don't know how I managed to made it on their PR list. Because next time they launch a product, they might not send it to me. I don't want to get my hopes up. But yeah, they at least sent it to me once, which is just too big of an achievement for me. This is why I've been doing YouTube since the past 2 years. To get Dyson. I'm not even kidding. 2 years ago, I thought I was to be like, oh my god, these girls are getting Dyson. When will I get Dyson? And here I am. I'm like getting too lazy to go to the gym. But like mine, this gym, it's like 56k a year. And it's just, I don't like it anymore. अभी तक मैंने मेरी Givenchy heels open नहीं किया because उनसे मुझे बहुत attachment है. They are too pretty and I'm like, my birthday is next month. तुम लोग क्या दे रहे हो मुझे मेरे birthday पे? I like how मैं gym जाने से पहले Baskin Robbins खा रही हूँ. This is gifted by my dad. Yesterday he's like, क्या खाओगी तुम? I was like, is this your gift? I don't want this as birthday gift. I mean, I live in his house, but still. I told him to give me 50k cash. नहीं मिलेगा मुझे. Send me their air straight. अब तुम में से कोई नजर लगाएगा और मेरा 2 महीने के लिए मुझे downfall दे देगा. But फिर भी मैं बता रही हूँ. Then there was an article about me about the top 5 snap stars and I was like, I made it the top 5 list with Anushka Sen. Like, Anushka is literally so sweet. Like I have met these, like popular girls, but Anushka is the kindest one out of all of them. Trust me, she's so nice. She's so humble. But like she knows everything. She's like a very gossip girl, Blair Waldorf personality. Love her. And I met this other chick. She is such. Not even kidding. She walks by and she's like, and when you say hi to her, she's like, and I'm like, I didn't ask for a fucking picture with you. I just said hi. Say it back. Even Sonam Barba says hi to you if you say hi to her. You're not Serena Van der Woodson. Don't show Serena Van der Woodson sass. I'm officially traumatized. I had to film an ad for a fucking tea, and the script they gave me was just I wanted to scream in the Addison Rae style. My sister's like, do it for the bag, and I'm like, yeah. I have been doing it all for the bag. The jokes weren't funny. I took the money. Now I'm officially leaving for gym. It's 4:30. Yeah, I look like an egg because I was looking good before I left, but then I had to take Troyu for a walkie, and now it's just like, it's too fucking hot. I'm at the gym, and I not even kidding, this girl asks me that whether she can borrow my headphones for her picture, and I obviously said no because I was like, I don't know you. Okay, I'm not giving anyone my headphones. They're like fucking 60k headphones. I don't know, call me mean, call me whatever. I'm not giving anyone my headphones. They're my babies, okay? If you ruin them, you're not gonna buy me a new one. And who the fuck asks people for their headphones? I have seen people with pink AirPod Max. I wanted to click pictures with them, but did I ever ask? No. Today's gym trip has been interesting. Look at my beautiful baby. Yeah, I feel so Carrie Bradshaw sitting in my car in heels. Yay! This will always be so cool to me. You don't get it. It's a girl's car. Of course, it's messy. Shut up. Men are so fucking weird. Like that watchman. I'm sitting in my own fucking car and he is staring right into my fucking soul as if I'm sitting in some stranger's car. First of all, I am so fucking caffeinated and my literal fucking entire body is shaking. Like it's shaking. No one fucking tells you how hard it is to even film a TikTok that you will get 15 likes. I went to this meeting, okay, and they were like, you know, your profile is amazing, everyone wants to be you, and girls look at you, they want to be you. But the thing is, the clothes you wear you don't get in India. So if you want to be like influenced to the mass, and I'm like, the mass can't tolerate me. I am a niche girly, let me be one. देखो कैसे मुझे सामने से जज किया जा रहा है. It took me fucking 30 minutes to make that one TikTok. This is the best bag I have ever got, you know. Everyone is like, Pradeep, why are you keeping it? And I'm like, I literally got it from a street in fucking here, like Lokhandwala. I don't know where it's from. I don't know which vendor it is. I have decided to take my book, Taylor Swift and the Clothes She Wears. It is actually something that I like reading because this book is very nice. It has Taylor Swift's little like quotes all the way written. It has pictures of Taylor Swift. It is perfect for a person who is not even smarter than a 5th grader, which aka me, and who's like a Swiftie. So, मेरे को किसका audition आया था अभी? Of an amazing reality show. I'm not talking about Big Boss or Splitsvilla. There's one reality TV show that keeps on fucking coming and bugging me to like come. मतलब मैं इतनी आलसी हूँ कि मैं fucking मेरा iPad निकालने के बजाय मेरे बैग में ही बैठकर full on fight कर रही हूँ, war कर रही हूँ उसको ठीक करने की. I have dressed like Carrie Bradshaw today और आज लोगों को पता भी नहीं है यहाँ पे Carrie Bradshaw क्या होती है. You know, it's so annoying. Wearing Juicy Couture, wearing this Bottega Duke bag, wearing AirPods Max, Rode, carrying this Taylor Swift book and no one even knows what it is. I'm back in my solo era and I love it. क्या है ना, मुझे अभी मैं वापस मेरे solo era में आ गई हूँ और मुझे बुरा बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है. I'm just living that life, one Dutch cult classic. I've really seen this. Like, I'll tell you how to recognize someone who hates you secretly. You'll be talking, okay? And they'll be like, oh yeah, and then they'll go back to the phone. And people who don't pay attention, like, you know, someone who's like chilling with you but they're not paying attention to what you talk, they're not fucking with you. They'll cut you off. I don't need your love, 'cause I already cried enough. I've been done. I've been moving on since we said goodbye. पता कैसा है ना, देखो मेरे को कोई कुछ भी बोल ले ये वो, I have you guys. You guys are my best friends. I don't need a best friend. I have like 100k besties and that is how I'm always fine. Yeah. This is what I do in a week. I'm not even kidding. Like, I chill in my car. I love chilling in my car and not driving it. It's actually very soothing just chilling in the car and not driving. I don't like it when the boys in my building cross by me because I used to hang out with them. Now I don't anymore. But yeah, it gets awkward because I can't really like see them because I'm fucking blind. तो फिर ऐसा किसी को रूट लगता होगा maybe कि मैं oh my god hi कभी बोलती हूँ कभी नहीं बोलती हूँ. कितने 6 बज गए. मैं आई थी यहाँ पे 5 बजे. 1 घंटे से मैं बैठी हुई हूँ पार्किंग लॉट में और फोन से बात कर रही हूँ. Are you seeing how crazy I am? I tell you guys, this guy, I'm not even kidding, who I was friends with this person, okay, और उसके वाया मैं इस person से मिली थी. उसके friend को मैं पसंद हूँ, ठीक है? तो he's like, oh, my friend likes you. So and I'm like, okay, I will go out with him just because I'm bored. Literally, I said that because I'm not interested in dating anyone. But please tell him that this is just a one-date scenario. So I have been set up on a blind date. And yeah, I told him, please tell him not to fall in love with me and do all that psychotic behavior and then ditch me. I don't want to do that. I don't want to go down that road. So yeah, what I'm trying to say is that I have a date this week. This usually never happens in my week in my life. But चलो अच्छा है कुछ तुम लोग को न्यू कंटेंट मिल जाता है कि हाँ चलो मेरे को एक सच में डेट मिली है. पता है वो लड़का, मैं उस लड़के को ट्रस्ट नहीं करती हूँ इतना जिसके लिए मेरी डेट है बिकॉज वो मेरे एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड की यूनिवर्सिटी का है एंड आई जस्ट डोंट ट्रस्ट एनीवन फ्रॉम दैट यूनिवर्सिटी बिकॉज दे गिव मी द एक. देखो ये रिसर्च है. मैं तुम लोगों के लिए डेट पे जा रही हूँ, ठीक है, कि तुम लोगों को मैं गाइड कर पाऊँ. हाँ ऐसे इन स्कूल से मैं डेट करो, इससे करो वैसे करो. मैं कितना fucking social service करती हूँ एक तरीके से.